Gotta be a fish sitting there. Just got bit right as I said that. Got him. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Got one right here. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, shoot, it's pulling me. It's pulling me down the dang hill. Stay on. Oh, my goodness. It's a freaking giant. It's a giant. That's why we came down here, boys. Oh, you see how easy that just came out? Oh, my goodness. Decisions. What should tomorrow's video be about? I got it. Fishing down at the creek where I caught that 7.5 pounder.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Oh, baby.
Damn.
25.
These guys put me on.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Monster.
Yeah.
Look how big he is.
Woo. This time I need to catch a trophy bass on one of these baits. But you know what? I can decide on the bait in the morning. I need to get some sleep. Oh, I'm awake. Creek fishing with crawdads. Oh, that's a good idea. It's like overgrown. It's gonna fish under this bridge. I guess we're gonna go to the next spot on this creek because I'm not trying to go through all that. All right, moving on. First cast. So we got water running into here. Might cast near that. Could be some bass hanging out in front of it. Cooler water maybe coming in here. Actually, I think the river is usually pretty cold, so might be warmer water coming in. Water's moving pretty good. Last time I was here, the water level was really low, but we've been getting a lot of rain, which is another reason why I wanted to come here. So right there, I just threw right at the edge of that tree. Immediately though, the current pushed it away from the tree. All right, so this turns around the corner, and the water might be still around that bend. So we're gonna walk over there and make a couple casts. Hope I don't fall in, man. It's can't tell on camera, but this path is kind of eroded away from probably all the rain, and I'm sliding down it a little bit. Whew. So we have water running in from right there as well. See if there's anything sitting right there just waiting. At the base of that tree, that spider is about 9 inches across near the water. Oh my goodness, that gives me the heebie-jeebies. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Let me get away from that thing. Shoo. There's gotta be a fish sitting there. Just got bit right as I said that. Got him. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, it's a big old bowfin. Mudfish. Oh man. Oh man, that sucker's big too. Oh, I don't want to deal with his teeth. Dang it. It's a cool fish though. Man, he might break my rod lifting him up this bank. It's like my favorite rod. Oh man, it's a big fish too. He's fat. He's sitting right where a bass should be sitting. Alright, hold on, let me see if I can get him up. Oh my goodness. Dude, they just thrash so much. There we go. Man, these suckers have teeth too. Oh my goodness. Shoo. Look at that big old sucker right there, dude. Just for... Oh, yes. Trying to put my hand on him so you could get a gauge how big he is. There we go. Now hopefully these 10-inch spiders aren't near me. Shoo! Oh my goodness. The water's running that way, so I want to go that way. But I started off near the bridge that was that way. And that's the furthest I can go that way. So I'm hoping, because the water level has come up, that these bass have gone upstream. And that's why we haven't got any bites down here. So we're going to find out, because we're about to go upstream. Alright, so we have this pond here, and we have water running from here into the river stream that we're fishing. So because we have water running into here, there might be fish hanging out right here. So I'm going to cast down there and see if anything bites the old crayfish. Got one right here. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh my goodness. I gotta get down there. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, don't. Oh, shoot. It's pulling me. It's pulling me down the dang hill. Oh my goodness. This is a giant bass, y'all. This is a giant bass. Oh, stay on. Oh my goodness. It's a freaking giant. It's a giant. Oh my goodness. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Freaking tank. Oh, yeah. That's why we came down here, boys. Oh, absolute giant. Oh. Oh, you see how easy that just came out? Oh my goodness. Wait, what happened to the audio? There's no audio. I finally caught this giant bass and I don't have any audio. What the heck? What the heck is going on? Where's the audio? I mean, I'm sure I'm saying hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, make the red button turn gray, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, but I don't hear it. I can't hear any audio. Oh, wait. I do hear something. I hear my alarm? My alarm. Oh, really? I dreamed that? Dun dun dun.